All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is, and this is, and this is another episode of
Spicy Noodle.
That's right, Spicy Noodle. This is the first time I've got both the kids in on the show, and today we've got the new Samyang Foods Light Edition. What's light about this? Well, so the whole thing is 375 calories. It's also less spicy than original Buldak. It's 40% less spicy. It's in the, what do we got here? 2,500 range, somewhere around there. So, yeah. And here it is. So, we've got our Buldak all ready to go. You guys gonna do a ready, set, go with me?
Yeah.
All right. Ready, set?
Go.
Okay. Let's give it a try. Well, I just took my first bite. I'll let you know. Hey! Let's be civil. What are you doing? Oh, you're looking at the camera. Well, how are you guys doing today? You having a fun day? Well, let's make it so everybody can see you guys. Hey, don't touch the camera. You're supposed to be watching me eat spicy noodles. Don't even. Does this get like an extra level of challenge? I hope so. I deserve extra recognition, right, Mimi? Yeah. So I'm gonna say, I do like these noodles. I like the gauge and I like the chew. They're a little bit sturdier, and I believe, I'll look, I didn't do a video of cooking these. However, I don't think they're fried. I think these are air dried. They're good. I like these. Mm-hmm. You like pill? Oh, you got a panda. Pandy the panda. Batteries. I'm starting to feel a little claustrophobic with all the children directly up in my business. Spicy level is way down. This is definitely the least spicy Buldak I think I've ever had. I like this. I'm gonna say for people who have been wanting something more accessible, this is for you. And I've got kids trying to crawl up my back. I can't do this and give you a horsey ride at the same time. I like this. It's not heavy. It's got a good flavor to it. I'm sold. What I like about this too is that you could add a bunch of different things to it, and it's not gonna, the heat isn't gonna override all the good add-ins you do. I like this. Mimi! Hi, Mom. Batteries. Battery. I'm feeling claustrophobic here. Yeah, this is yummy. Do you want to try? You want batteries? For what? You might be wondering, why all the soup, Ramen Raider? You made it wrong. No, I did not make it wrong. What you do is you cook the noodles for 4.5 minutes in 600 mils of water, drain them, and then what you do is you add in the the sauce, and you add in 8 spoons of water. Each spoon of water is 15 milliliters. That's 120 mils of water. That's a half a cup. Now, that doesn't all go away when you stir fry it for another 30 seconds, that's for sure. Hey! No strangling. No chips. Papa's doing a mukbang. Pay attention. Harass me. I sense bad things going on behind me. I honestly had a feeling Mimi would be more interested in eating these noodles, but luckily she's not. Mimi really likes noodles, but she can't do all the spice. Alright. So we're down to this point. It's time to slurp. Back up. Back off, children. I don't want a bad accident to occur. Back, get down, Miles. You don't need to be on the chair. I need to drink this. All right, here we go. Ready, set? Done. Am I done? Did I do good?
Good.
How'd I do? Am I all done?
Done.
Done. Okay. Did I do good?
Good.
Thank you.
Do tablet batteries.
Oh, you guys want batteries and tablets now?
Do tablet.
Oh, well,
Batteries.
okay. Yeah, if you can't do, like, mega spicy, this is tasty. Would it be on the top 10 spicy list? No. But it's good. It's good. So if you've been wanting a less spicy version of Buldak, and it's, I think half the calories, it's much lower, 375, that's not bad for a bowl of noodles. It's a good bet. Whew. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. And this has been, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.